RILY Financial, RILY, is drawing outsized market attention after the company unexpectedly filed its delayed Q3 Form 10Q, a move that immediately eased one of the market's biggest overhangs. The filing confirmed that RILY has regained compliance with Nasdaq listing requirements, removing fears of a potential delisting and undercutting a core pillar of the long standing bearish narrative. For many investors, simply getting the 10Q across the line was viewed as a major credibility reset for management and a signal that the company's financial reporting issues are no longer spiraling. Beyond the compliance relief, the numbers themselves surprised to the upside. The capital markets segment stood out in particular, posting strong performance driven by deal activity, advisory fees, and improved operating leverage. Bulls argue this reinforces the view that RILY's core franchise remains highly profitable when markets stabilize, and that prior concerns about structural weakness may have been overstated. The filing also helped clarify balance sheet questions that had fueled uncertainty for months, further weakening the bear case. This combination of regulatory relief and better than feared fundamentals has ignited intense speculation around a potential short squeeze. RILY has carried elevated short interest for an extended period, largely built on expectations of continued financial deterioration, filing delays, or even exchange removal. With those risks now materially reduced, traders believe short sellers could be forced to cover into rising prices, creating a feedback loop of accelerated upside. Social and trading communities are increasingly framing the setup as a crowded short versus improving fundamentals scenario. Sentiment has swung sharply as a result. Where skepticism once dominated, many now argue the original bearish thesis is effectively broken, replaced by a turnaround narrative anchored in normalized operations and earning power. While volatility remains high and risks are far from eliminated, the sudden shift in information has positioned RILY as a focal point for speculative traders and event driven investors alike, with expectations building around a potentially dramatic repricing if momentum continues.
Okay, so the stock is up 34%. This is Thursday, the 15th of January 2026, pre-market session. Okay, it's a hard to borrow stock, so there's a good chance that that short interest may well be very high. Okay, let's see what's going on the 4-hour chart. Okay, the extrapolation we have here is saying that it might maintain the strength up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, we might see a contraction that may remain in place up to midday Friday the 16th. Then after that, the uptrend may resume. But it's, as you can also see here, it has had a rejection. Let's see what it printed, what the intraday high is. 10.93. Yeah, so it has had a rejection from there. The 40 period moving average is also expected to continue to rise to act as a support in the case of in the event of a pullback. Okay, so projections are saying 5.48. We have already seen $10 and some fraction. Okay, so let's just quickly glance at its daily chart. It's not active right now. It hasn't reflected what's going on there. Okay, even regardless, the underlying trend is strongly bullish. So even before this news came out, the stock has been printing non-stop gains. So the whole of this month, it has been printing high prices, largely. Okay, up till this it began on the 2nd of January. So 2nd of January, and only stopped on the 12th. Let's do that math and find out from the 2nd to the 12th. That has to be a lot of okay. 1 6, yeah, 7 straight session of gains. So it has since pulled back. So it has printed. This is now it has corrected for 2 trading sessions, and then the uptrend seems to be resuming regardless. Yeah. So what we could do is just see whether we can find what the market grid is saying on this 4-hour chart. The market grid will give us potential prices. Well, I don't think we will see anything surprising relative to what we have already seen. We've seen $10 and some fraction. Let's see. Yeah, $10.90. Oh yeah, even higher. We have 11.99, between 11.99 and 9.05. Yeah, on this 4-hour chart. Let's see what we have on its 3-hour chart. 11.83. Let's see what we have on its 2-hour chart. 11.68. I think it might be even less on the 1-hour chart. Yeah, it's less. Yeah. So this expansion has aged. It's no longer fresh. That's why we can see here the 1-hour chart is contract. This the expansion is getting contracted. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on. The stock is trending. Let's see now. Not so liquid, but people are buying the shares anyway. They are trading it anyway. They're trading the stock regardless. This is only the pre-market session. Yeah. Let's see what people are doing up here. 10.615. Let's see what people are expecting to get out of the stock. Whether they're expecting higher prices. 10.3. Anything higher than that? Okay, yeah, 10.78, 10.89. Yeah, that's almost the sort of, yeah, that's in the almost this intraday high. I mean, you can't fault them for that. I mean, the stock has already done that already. Okay, yeah, just have a look and see what you make of RILY, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.